Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Photos privacy settings without losing albums. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your device. Ensure you are logged into the Google account that contains your photos and albums. Navigate to the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. Select the settings option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and tap on Privacy Checkup. Take note of the current privacy settings you wish to transfer. Now, switch to the target Google account by logging out and logging back in. Once logged in, go back to the Settings menu. Here, carefully replicate the privacy settings noted earlier from your original account. Next, go back to the main screen of Google Photos. To maintain your albums, tap on the Albums tab at the bottom. Select each album you wish to keep from the original account. Now, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the album. Choose the Share option to create a backup link for each album. Copy the links and save them in a secure location. After backing them up, return to the main screen. Now, create new albums in your target account by tapping on Albums again, then Create Album. Name each new album according to the corresponding ones from your original account. Once the albums are created, go back to the original account to access the shared links. Open each link in a new tab or window to view the photos. Then, save each photo to your device. Upload the saved photos to the corresponding new album in your target account. Repeat this process for each album until all photos are transferred. Finally, review the privacy settings one last time to ensure everything is set as desired. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your Google Photos privacy settings without losing your albums. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.